Hello, I'm Bill Roper, interim president of the UNC System. To our students and their families, I want to thank you all for your contributions to our ongoing efforts to confront our national health crisis. I'm here today to give you an update of where the UNC System is in our response to this national emergency. Everyone should, by now, be aware that the CDC and health experts have issued urgent warnings that if Americans don't act quickly, the COVID-19 infection will spread rapidly and our healthcare systems will be overwhelmed. Students and young people generally are not immune to COVID-19. The public health advice of social distancing and frequent and careful hand washing with soap are meant to help decrease the spread of this virus. You may not get seriously ill, but you could transmit the virus to others who may be more susceptible to illness. With your help, the UNC System has responded quickly to protect the health and safety of students, faculty, and staff, and to support our state and national effort to flatten the curve of the infection. To mobilize nearly 240,000 students across the system, our system and each of our institutions have had to apply strict guidance in little time. But each institution has put into place processes for granting exceptions for students facing extenuating circumstances and needs. If you are a student with unique challenges that make it difficult for you to find food and shelter off campus or to get access to online course materials, please reach out to representatives at your institution. We want every student in need to have a viable option for remaining in campus housing with access to food and the internet. Many of you have questions and concerns during this unprecedented period of upheaval. There are many, many moving parts to this situation, and they're moving very quickly. We don't yet have answers to all the questions, but we're working diligently to find those answers as quickly as we can. We're addressing the most critical issues first: health and safety, the transition to online learning, and the well-being of our students in need. I know that matters related to fees and room and board and grades are important, but they aren't as urgent as these other issues are right now. We expect to be in a position to start answering those questions thoughtfully, carefully, in consultation with federal and state government and our creditors in the weeks ahead. Unfortunately, the projected time frame for the virus reaches into our spring commencement season. Simply put, we've had to face the reality that spring graduation ceremonies will be disrupted. I know and understand that this will disappoint our students and their families who've worked so hard towards this goal for many years. But the health and safety of our students and faculty and staff must be our top priority. But rest assured, your institution will celebrate your academic achievement in due course. COVID-19 represents one of the most significant challenges the UNC System has faced in its long history. But witnessing our faculty and students and families and leaders at every level of the system rallying together has filled me with great optimism. We won't get everything right as we adjust to a rapidly evolving situation, but I can assure you we will make corrections as we move forward. These are challenging times, and the UNC System is rising to this challenge quickly and thoroughly. Thank you for all your contributions to this vitally important effort.